an update then. It's still running. Done about 15,000 miles since the last video. A lot of that's been towing now as well. And well, yeah, naysayers, it has not broken. But that's not really the point of this one. It's a little bit of an update. I'm semi-painted, but I've now got a new home for this one. So finally, it will get back on the road this year. Like, even the tyres are, yeah, they're not happy. Also joined in here by this one, which this is not actually a keeper or anything. This is just something that I bought with a friend just to flip on pretty much. Originally, I did think about having the engine out of this to put in John because this is a 2.3 T5, but it's way too clean for that. I don't think I could break this car, and I think we could stand probably to make some good money on it. And it's a 2-owner car. It was a local car to us, and it's just immaculate sort of in and out. So that is a quick little update of what is going on, because I don't think I've uploaded in, fuck knows, months now. And we've got a nice little chill area over here for the women. But yeah, next update, I will definitely have to do some more on this thing, because that seems to be the content whore for this channel. She's getting up there. On a total side note, you wouldn't think it's July, would you?